Oh, damn.
Look at that front.
What are we doing?
Brake set up.
What are we doing?
Looks good in the light.
Ooh. James doing too much. Yeah, by the way, this is a 5.7 drop with 22s. And he got fender gap. I don't got none. And I'm on 20s.
Wow, that side's a little bit lower.
Makes no sense. Little bit. Oh, dang, it runs?
Front hand drive, baby.
By golly. Damn, bud. That's how low you need to sit.
I see the bulk enter cut.
You gotta look up to look out the window. Woo! All right, so James called in some help here. He called in this young man and myself. It's finally time to put the bed back on. James has done extensive body work, as you can see. We've got primer penises, specialty. We've got rust.
Patina.
Patina, yeah. Some primer, some not primered. Yeah.
I'll let the experts take care of that.
He only got to about that big.
Oh yeah. Whitebeard's gonna do all that.
Oh yeah, there you go. It's Whitebeard's tailgate. Speaking of that.
Killed it. You bastard.
Damn it.
All of a sudden, James just has a bite.
So yeah, we're gonna put the bed on. You excited?
Oh, hopefully put easy with all these.
You gonna go do a burnout afterwards?
No.
Or?
Do a whip it. What?
Damn.
She long.
Long. That ain't bad at all.
That long dong.
Long dong. Schlongbed. About ready.
I like it.
So you gotta bolt that back down. Finish out hanging the dash. And did you get the seats completely mounted already, or?
I still gotta do all that.
Okay. So you're just on the interior now, and then you're rolling.
Yep.
Damn, baby.
We
Damn.
tried to we bled the brake except for the right front because the bleeder screw was not loosening.
I had to take vice grips to mine
Stripped the
after
fuck
you
out of it.
rebuilt them.
Maybe it was me.
I put an 8 on it, and it just went.
Well, they're
It just-
10.
Just turned to mush. Whatever it was.
Yeah,
No,
mine-
it was smaller than that.
Mine did the same thing with that. I'll have to take it
It's
apart.
just screwed. That mushy
I'll
metal.
drill a hole through it and fucking take it off that way. Fuck yeah.
Dadgum, boy. Wish my headlights worked.
Huh?
Wish my headlights worked. Oh yeah, my corners came in, by the way. I just haven't put them on yet. I'm lazy ass. And just what was this piece of tape for?
Labeling speaker wire.
James been showing out for the boomers. Got the nice new pad. I'm pretty sure I've never seen an OBS with that
Insulation?
like clean
Oh, clean insulation.
or like in one
They
piece.
sell it on eBay for like 60 bucks, 50 bucks.
Oh, that's too much. It's too expensive.
Get you some of that cardboard.
Daggum, dude. What's crazy is his running lights work too. Mine don't. I don't know. We'll figure that out. I still haven't had time to go mess with the rear ground, but that is a good idea. I'm gonna mess with that one again because I'm pretty sure that was.
Come over and fix it for you.
Yeah, that too. But no, I'm pretty sure when I tightened the rear ground is when it started working last time.
It's not on fucking footage either. Try to go back and look.
Did you?
I think we did that off camera.
Gotta watch what you do off camera, boys. Don't have no evidence. But Yeah, that was about it for this one. We're just checking in on James.
Here's my, I had to disconnect my alarm this morning because we had some technical difficulties.
All right. Oh yeah, baby. Oh damn, baby. Look at him sitting low. You're so low in the cab, it's insane. Damn, baby.
Take some pictures of it.
Damn.
That looks lower.
Damn, well, you parked in a dip.
I did on purpose.
Cheater. Damn, boys.
Woo!
You doing good, baby.
Shit.
You're right there. Shit, he gonna have that dash in by this weekend. No? He said, I got shit to do.
I need to pay some attention to my daily. It's getting a little bit dirty.
Getting jealous and shit.
God damn.
That looks damn good. Oh yeah. Well, James, appreciate y'all coming along.
Yep. And Matt's gonna go pull a 6-0.
Yeah. Y'all see that on another video. The new Hot Boy Summer drop is live.
Oh shit.
It's on the website. These are gone. But anyways, the Hot Boy Summer drops live. There's black shirts, there's a baby blue shirt, and then I have a women's pink v-neck for the girls, and then we've got a couple new stickers, and then we'll have some more coming out in the next couple weeks. So y'all go to MattyXBuilds.com, check those out. And other than that, we're out. Peace out, be human. We'll see you later.